Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nigerian mushroom soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including about 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, 1 large bell pepper, and 1 onion. Next, prepare your protein. Popular choices are smoked fish or tender goat meat. Finally, ensure you have your favorite Nigerian spices, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup of palm oil ready to create this delicious, easy meal. Now let's get everything prepped. Thoroughly wash and slice your 2 cups of mushrooms, then set them aside. Dice 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers into small, even pieces. If you're using goat meat, boil it until it's wonderfully tender, then shred or cut it into bite-sized portions. For smoked fish, simply flake it and remove any bones. This careful preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of palm oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing until they are soft and fragrant, about 3 minutes. Next, introduce the sliced mushrooms and your prepared protein, stirring everything together. Pour in about 1/2 cup of water, add your preferred Nigerian spices, and a pinch of salt. Let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious Nigerian mushroom soup is now ready. Serve it hot with a traditional side like pounded yam, eba, or even rice. For an authentic touch, garnish with a few fresh scent leaves, which add a wonderful aroma and flavor. This soup is not only easy to make, but also incredibly satisfying and nutritious. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Enjoy your meal!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.